Have you ever been in a place that felt strange and new? Maybe it was your first day in a new school. Maybe it was a new city or a new job. Maybe you traveled to another country where people spoke a different language and ate different food. In those moments, you probably felt a little nervous. You looked around and thought, "This does not feel like home. I do not know anyone here. I do not know how things work." These feelings are very common. All of us face unfamiliar places in life. They can be scary at first, but they can also give us something very important. They can give us peace. Peace is not only in quiet rooms or familiar streets. Peace can also be found in places that are new, strange, or even uncomfortable. It may sound surprising, but it is true. Sometimes we find the deepest calm not where we expect, but where life puts us suddenly. The question is, how can we find peace in unfamiliar places? How can we turn fear into calm and confusion into learning? When we enter an unfamiliar place, our first reaction is often fear. Our mind tells us, "This is dangerous. You do not belong here. You should go back." This is natural. The brain loves safety. It loves routine. When something changes, the brain feels stress. That is why moving to a new home, starting a new job, or traveling far away can feel so heavy. But if we only stay where it is safe, we never grow. We never learn new things about the world or about ourselves. Let us think about travel. Imagine you go to a country far from your own. The streets are full of sounds you do not know. People talk fast, and you do not understand. The food tastes different. The weather feels strange. At first, you may feel lost. You may feel you want to go home. But then something changes. You walk slowly. You look around. You smile at someone and they smile back. You taste the food again, and this time it feels good. You hear music on the street, and it makes you happy. Suddenly, this strange place starts to feel peaceful. Not because it is like home, but because you opened your heart to it. Finding peace in unfamiliar places is about opening. It is about saying, "I do not know this place yet, but I can learn. I do not understand everything, but that is okay. I do not need to control everything. I just need to be here." When you let go of control, peace comes. Another example is a new job. The first week can feel like walking in the dark. You do not know the rules. You do not know the people. You may think, "I cannot do this. I am not ready." But step by step, you learn. You ask questions. You listen. You make small connections. After some time, the place that once felt so strange begins to feel normal. You feel calmer. You feel stronger. The peace comes not from the place itself, but from your own growth. Unfamiliar places are not only physical. Sometimes the unfamiliar place is inside us. For example, when we face a new stage of life, growing older, starting a family, or losing someone we love, all these moments bring us into unknown emotional places. At first, we resist. We say, "I do not want this. I cannot accept this." But slowly, we learn. We find peace in acceptance. We learn that even in pain, there can be calm. Even in change, there can be balance. So, how do we find peace in unfamiliar places? First, we must slow down. When we rush, fear grows. When we slow, peace can enter. Take a deep breath. Look around. Notice the small things: a tree, a smile, a sound. These simple things can give you calm, even if the place is new. Second, we must stay open. Do not close your heart. Do not say, "This place is bad just because it is new." Instead say, "This place is different, and I can learn from it." Curiosity is stronger than fear. Ask questions. Try the food. Learn a word in the new language. Talk to a stranger. Each small step makes the unfamiliar place less strange. Third, remember that peace is inside you. Even if the outside feels strange, you can carry peace in your heart. Think of the things that always bring you calm. Maybe it is music. Maybe it is prayer. Maybe it is writing. Maybe it is just breathing slowly. Carry these habits with you. Then any place, no matter how strange, can become peaceful. Fourth, do not fight change too much. Unfamiliar places are teachers. They show us what we do not know. They test us. They make us stronger. If you fight them, you feel stress. If you accept them, you feel peace. Tell yourself, "This is new, but I can handle it. This is different, but I can learn." With this mindset, peace will grow. Fifth, look for connection. Peace grows when we connect with people. Even in a strange place, there are people who can be kind. Smile, talk, ask, share. Human connection turns unfamiliar places into friendly ones. One good friend can make a new city feel like home. Think of this. Many people who move to a new country at first feel lonely. But after some time, they meet neighbors, classmates, or colleagues. They join a small group, maybe a sports team, or a language class. Suddenly, the strange city feels warmer. It feels peaceful, not because the city changed, but because they found connection. Finding peace in unfamiliar places is not always easy, but it is always possible. It asks for patience. It asks for courage. It asks for openness. If we give these things, we receive peace in return. So, the next time you enter a new place, remember this. It is normal to feel afraid. It is normal to feel lost. But do not run away. Stay. Breathe. Look. Learn. Slowly, the fear will become smaller. Slowly, peace will arrive. And when it does, you'll be stronger. You will know that you can find peace anywhere, not just at home. Life will always give us unfamiliar places. Sometimes we choose them, like travel or new jobs. Sometimes they come without choice, like loss or change. But in all of them, there is a chance to grow. There is a chance to find peace. So, let us not fear the unfamiliar. Let us welcome it. Because in strange places, we often meet the deepest part of ourselves. We learn that peace is not outside, it is inside. And when we know this, we can carry peace everywhere.